Good morning everyone. Welcome to Semstar Global School online class, and this is your value education period. We have already discussed page number 7 in the previous class, but today I will complete page number 8, the rhymes. That means number 3 we will discuss here. Number 3, and the page number is 8. Is it okay? Now, number 3, find words in the chapter that rhyme with these words. First of all, it is compulsory to know about what is rhyme. Is it okay? Rhyme. A rhyme is a word that has the same sound as another. What does it mean? A word that has the same sound as another. As for example, that cat, cat, rat, fat, bat. The sounds are same. The spelling is different, but the sound is same. Once again, sun, sun, run, bun, gun. Here we see that spellings are different, R, B, G, S, but the sounds are same. Spellings are different, only last letters are the same. At, un, even. Is it okay? But first letter is completely different, but the sounds are same. A word that has the same sound as another. It is called the rhyme or the rhyming words. In every poem we see that there are some rhyming words, so that it will listen very good. हम लोग को कोई भी पोएम अच्छा क्यों लगता है सुनने में? क्योंकि उसमें राइमिंग वर्ड्स होते हैं, तुक होते हैं उसके पीछे. जैसे बाबा ब्लैक शिप, हैव यू एनी वुल? यस सर 3 bags full. Wool and full. In this way, the different poem. Ringa ringa roses, a pocket full of posies. Roses and poses. Is it okay? That is called the rhyme. Without rhyme, no poem is made. कोई भी poem जो है उसमें rhyming words के बिना नहीं हो सकता. और तभी poem बहुत जल्दी जल्दी we just learn very fast because the rhyming words are used in every poem so that we learn it easily. Is it okay? Now we are going to complete here the rhyming words. Number 1, hay, Hay. Here is given hay, Hay, hay. The rhyming word will be Day. You can't write here another word. You just search it from your book, and after that you just write down day, day. Number 2, Ay. Cell, Sell, cell. Well, well, sell, well. Number 3, said, bed. In both the words we see that pronunciation is same. उच्चारण दोनों का सेम है. That's why it is called rhyming words. Here, number 4. Here are the number 4. This is given number 3, but it is wrong. That's why you just write here number 4. That is broom. B-R-O-O-M. Broom. Broom, room. Cry. Bar. B-Y-E. Bar. Number 6. Slow. Slow. Low. Is it okay? Now, I will repeat it again. H-A-Y, D-A-Y, tail. S-E-L-L, cell. W-E-L-L, well. S-A-I-D, said. B-E-D, bed. Again, B-R-O-O-M, broom. R-O-O-M, room. C-R-Y, cry. B-Y-E, bar. S-L-O-W, slow. L-O-W, low. That's all. And now you just fill up all these rhyming words here. If you have no book, then you can write it in your value education notebook and write down in your notebook. Is it okay? Now, in last, you just see, I am reading here. Do you have any younger siblings or cousins? Teach them a few manners. Help them follow the manners through the week. Can you help your family members at home this week? Fill in this table. This is your homework. But firstly, I will explain how to do. आप पे कैसे करोगे ये मैं पहले आपको बताऊंगी. और इस वीक आप अपने घर में सबके साथ कैसे हेल्प करोगे. एज फॉर एग्जाम्पल, given family members and how you help them. Here there are some family members name: mother, father, sibling, grandmother and grandfather. Now, mother. First of all, I explain mother. आप अपनी मम्मी को कैसे हेल्प करोगे? How will you help your mother in this week? इस वीक में आपको अपनी मम्मी को कुछ हेल्प करना है. हेल्प मीन्स गिफ्ट नहीं देना है. आपको क्या करना है? What will you do? You can help by putting some dust, putting messy, and you think that the room is very messy. At that time, how could you help your mother? Mother want to take some knife or switch on the light or switch off the light, or want to take some another things. You just help to take that things. How could you help your father? In this way you can help father in searching important documents. ज़्यादातर देखा है पापा का कोई पेपर खो जाता है. At that time you just help to search the documents. Siblings मतलब आपके भाई बहन, उनको कैसे करोगे? In cleaning your house. यदि सिस्टर आपकी है, then she want to clean the house. At that time you don't throw all the dust on the floor. You just help them. And how to help your grandmother? Grandmother को करोगे find glasses. Is it okay to find where it is kept? And to grandfather, I help my grandfather in solving puzzles, or some giving some essential things, or if he want to take some water, then at that time you just help him to give the water to him so that he can quench his thirst. In this way you can help them. Now we are discussing some another things which we will do in your next class. Is it okay everyone? That's all. Thank you everyone. Bye.